All right, guys, meet Basil. Basil is all of 16 weeks old. Of course, it's vacation, so they're going on Turkey Day and all that. And a lot of times it'd be a potty training situation. But the biggest thing that I do with small dogs that are young and enough that I'm not fixing anything, I'm basically forming their whole way of looking at the world, is I treat them like a big dog, right? And the more I treat them like a big dog, the more they come out and they're not the normal. I see these guys all the time, the Frenchies, and they've got, in my mind, almost a negative reputation. In other words, I don't like them because every time I see one, they're spoiled to high heaven, and the people that get them, because they're a real expensive little guy, treat them like they're a baby, and then when you treat a dog like a baby, he's going to treat you, it's just the typical. And so what you end up with is a brat, right? So I am going to do my best to treat Basil like he's a big dog, huh, Basil? It's a female. Come here, Basil. Come on, Basil. Nope. She says, I don't know about this collar. It kind of makes me itch. Yeah, but Daddy loves her. All right, come on, Basil. Yep, you get in there. I got her bed all set up. She gets to go there. So treat her like a big dog. Little hard pats and little grabbing the jowl, and do not treat him like a baby. It's not a baby. It's a dog. Treat her like a dog, and we'll find out what happens. This is going to be interesting because I don't think I've worked at one of this age. I've always had to fix, they come in and they're mental midgets and they're fear biters and all kinds of little things, or potty training or whatever. But I usually don't do potty training. I'll educate you. I'll charge you for consultation on potty training, but I'm not going to let your dog piss on my carpets. I'll get people that contact me after 3 years of a dog doing that sort of thing, and they think I'm going to come in and potty train their dog. You got to be crazy. So with her, the main thing is to keep her in her kennel. Let her not have a chance. Generally, a dog doesn't want to foul themselves, and she's a clean little girl right now. And then we'll go outside, and a lot outside and setting up that positive, which is telling her to go potty and praising the hell out of her when she does. And then just slowly but surely we take it all the way along, right? Good girl, Basil. Good. All right, so this should be fun, huh, Basil? Huh? We're going to have a good time, huh, babies? Huh? Yeah. Dad loves her. You should have seen the pharmaceutical lab that he sent with her. I've got all kinds of stuff that I'm supposed to do with her. We'll take care of her, that's for sure. But I don't know if I'm going to use a wet wipe for the rear end. He wants me to wipe her butt once a week. I don't know. It's interesting to see where people's heads at. But most people that get a dog like this, that's a replacement child, right? So it's a matter of making sure we educate the customer and teaching them that this is a dog, no matter what. Now, out of the size, everything else, the same thing. Dog psychology, treating her the way she needs to be treated, right? Good girl, Basil. Good. All right, yep. And not foo-fooing her, treating her like she's a little foo-foo, and she'll come out a lot better than she would if she's coddled and treated like a child. You do that, and you're going to end up with a neurotic mess. So even then, even with a little baby like this, I'm going to treat her the right way and then build slowly but surely on her behaviors. So, all right, Basil. Good girl. I'll talk to you later. Mark Ferrasci, Protect Dog Training, and Basil. Come on, Basil. Yeah, you're a good girl. All right, talk to you later.